Good afternoon, I'm Randy Wilkes, Superintendent of Education, Phoenix City Schools, and welcome to our Middle School Revitalization Project Review. It has been determined by members of the Phoenix City Board of Education and myself that there exists a tremendous need to revive our middle schools, grades 6, 7, and 8. For months, we have studied and we have researched a means in which this could take place. Tonight we will demonstrate our efforts and the research as we have attempted to communicate that with our stakeholders. The Middle School Revitalization Project has been broken down into two phases. Phase 1 beginning fall 2015 and Phase 2 beginning fall 2016. During Phase 1, we will transform our curriculum and our instruction. We will add to the curriculum offerings the STEM Academy, which we will discuss in detail in just a few moments. Also, we will implement a one-to-one take-home electronic device initiative. In Phase 2, we will implement a STEM curriculum via new STEM labs. STEM labs on the campuses of Phoenix City Intermediate School and South Girard School. STEM is an acronym for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. STEM is one of the most talked about educational topics of all. STEM is vital to our future, the future of Phoenix City, the future of our state, and the future of our country. STEM is everywhere. It shapes our everyday experiences. Consider how often we experience STEM in our lives. Science is our natural world. The sun, the moon, the stars, lands and oceans, weather, natural disasters, the diversity of nature, animals both large and small, plants and food, the fuel that heats our homes and powers transportation. The list is almost endless. In today's world, technology means computers and smartphones, but it goes back to television, radio, microscopes, telegraph, telescopes, the compass, and even the first wheel. Yes, engineering designs buildings, roads, and bridges, but it also tackles today's challenges of transportation, global warming, and environment-friendly machines, appliances, and systems. We only have to look around to see what improvements to our lives and our homes have been engineered in the last decade alone. We encounter mathematics at the grocery store, the bank, on tax forms, and dealing with investments and the family budget. Every other STEM field depends on mathematics. STEM is important because it pervades every aspect of our lives. Let's consider how STEM affects what is closest and dearest to us, our children. STEM is their future, the technological age in which they live, their best career options, and their key to wise decisions. Recently, the United States Department of Labor listed the 10 most wanted employees. 8 of those employees were ones with degrees in the STEM fields: accounting, computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, information sciences and systems, computer engineering, civil engineering, and economics and finance. According to the U.S. Department of Commerce, STEM occupations are growing at 17%, while others are growing at 9.8%. Healthcare workers with associate's degrees to doctors of medicine will average 20% more in lifetime earnings than peers with similar non-health degrees. A glance at 2010 starting annual salaries for engineers shows civil engineers making $47,145 and chemical engineers making $60,054. This is strong evidence that STEM-related jobs can be financially rewarding careers for our children. Another compelling argument is that STEM careers are truly helping professions that build communities and transform nations. These professionals are in charge of solving the complex problems of today's world and its future. They are working to find solutions for global warming, cancer, third world hunger, disappearing habitats, and an independent world economy. Yesterday's stereotype of the geek in a lab coat is not representative of today's STEM teams, where economists work with researchers on technical transfer and engineers build the state-of-the-art equipment for businesses. STEM careers are both challenging and fun. People in them enjoy going to work every day. Because STEM is so important for our children, our region, and our country, we need to encourage the students currently in our educational systems, as well as future generations of students, to understand and embrace the technology that affects them every day of their lives. Students should be advised on the merits of taking as many math and science courses in middle and high school as possible. And these courses need to be taught by engaged and enthusiastic teachers using hands-on and minds-on activities. We can make science and math courses fun and interesting. It will not only help students to learn, but it will plant the seeds of interest that could grow into an exciting and rewarding STEM career.